In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an invoice in Squarespace. If you're running a business or managing transactions through your Squarespace account, being able to efficiently send invoices is a crucial task. With these straightforward steps, I'll guide you through the process, ensuring you can handle invoicing with confidence and ease. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Squarespace homepage. This is where you access all the tools and options Squarespace has to offer, and it serves as the central hub for navigating through the platform. So open your preferred internet browser and log into your Squarespace account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the navigation panel. Within this panel, find the option labeled Invoicing. It should be prominently placed, making your task just a click away. After you've clicked on the Invoicing section, your next move is to select Invoices from the submenu. This section provides a comprehensive list of all your invoices, whether they're drafts, sent invoices, or those waiting for payment. It's like your invoicing dashboard, giving you a clear overview of everything you need to manage your financial transactions effectively. Now that you're in the Invoices section, go ahead and choose the invoice you'd like to send. If you have multiple invoices listed, simply click on the one you intend to work with. This action will lead you to a more detailed view of the invoice, showing all the specifics you may need to review or adjust before sending it to your client. Once you have the desired invoice open, your next step is to click on Edit. This option allows you to make any necessary adjustments to the invoice before sending it out. It could include updating the invoice details, ensuring that all line items are correct, or making changes to the payment terms. It's important to ensure every detail is accurate to prevent any misunderstandings or delays in payment later on. After making the necessary edits and you're satisfied everything is in order, it's time to send the invoice. For this, you'll see a Send button. Go ahead and click it. This action will prompt the system to deliver the invoice to your client using the email address linked to their profile on your system. Make sure this email address is up to date to ensure the invoice is received promptly. And there you have it. You've successfully sent an invoice through Squarespace. Remember, accuracy is key when handling invoices to maintain professionalism and ensure prompt payments. Keep practicing these steps, and soon it'll become second nature. Thanks for following along, and feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher. Happy invoicing!